If you're hungry and you're in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, you're in the right place. Murrells Inlet is home to the best Southern-style buffet on the planet, and everybody's welcome at Judy Boone's. This is a real family restaurant. Judy is a proud mother-in-law who likes to keep an eye on things, and just like the name suggests, Judy Boone's is a family place. From the Southern chefs to the down-home Southern hospitality to the Prosser's legendary barbecue, everyone in this place knows what it means to make folks feel at home. Which is why Judy Boone's has won awards for Best Southern Country Buffet and, probably the most important Down South award, Best Fried Chicken. Before you go back home, make sure you go to Judy Boone's. You won't leave hungry. Judy Boone's, Murrells Inlet, judyboons.com.